It's time for unboxing or unpacking. In this case, got some new scarves to show off for you. All right, first one, purple and gold. We can guess what school this is supposed to be. This is my rendering of the one I call LSU 2. Look at that. They do such a good job. I think it looks great. And even if you don't like the school, you know, you got the colors right here. So let's take this one and get it out of the way for a minute. Second one is right here. Second one, blue with some red accents. Let me open it up. And in case you couldn't guess or didn't guess, this is the Tennessee Titans. Come on, open it. There. Tennessee Titans. Again, using all the official colors. There you go. Tennessee Titans. Huge, nice scarf. There are different sizes available and different materials, but this has always been my favorite. Last one is my favorite color. It's orange. It's orange. And it's not my favorite color because of the school. It's my favorite color because it has always been my favorite color. But I think you can guess which school is orange and white. Yes. UT, University of Tennessee. This is their official colors on a scarf. And just want to show you, just got these delivered and wanted to show them off to you guys. So we had UT, we've got Tennessee Titans, and LSU. Hope you like them.